Hi, welcome back to your favorite channel Stock Market. Today in this video, we will try to discuss about three stocks which are trading below 100 rupees. So they are fundamentally strong and in the past they have given good returns to their shareholders. And in future also they are having a good potential to give multi-bagger returns. Today we will try to analyze and see the details of those companies and we'll go through the financials records and recent updates of this company. So let's begin the video. The first company is trading around 40 rupees. So if you see, it has given 140% returns in 1 year. So it right now it is trading around 40 rupees. We will see the financials and details of this company. 2017 it has made a sales of 157 crores and then 169, 200, 224, 317, and last year it has made sales of 425. So from 2017 to 2023 you can see there is increase in sales regularly. So there may be some variations, 1 year 220 crores and then again 160 crores. There may be variations in year to year, but in the if you see the in long term, so it has increased its sale year by year. So if you look at the operating profit also, from 18 crore to 40 crores operating profit. So you can see there is an improvement in sales and profit from year to year. So if you see the net profit also, you can see from 4 crores in 2017 to 16 crores in 2023. So in 2 years it has given dividend to their shareholders also. It's a good sign. So it is giving dividend also, that's a good sign. And you can see the financial track record. It is there is an improvement in finance, I mean sales and profit from year to year. If you see the shareholding pattern, so before it was 47%, right now it's 68.38%. See, before from 47% to 68%, more than 20% promoters have increased their stakes in the shareholding pattern. So it means they have bought back their shares. So it's a very good sign. And even FIS also, there was a very good, see, 10% FIS over there in this company. So I think it has very good potential in future. You have to watch and you have to study about this company. So I am not giving any buy or sell call, just it's for a reference and you have to make your own research and study. And before investing you should consult your advisor also. So again, last month the FIS have increased their stakes in this company and promoter only 29%. Really very good shareholding pattern of this company. Let's see, the name of this company is Preetika Auto Industries, is engaged in the manufacture of tractor and automobile components. It is among leading manufacturers of machined castings in India. So it belongs to auto sector. So auto sector is always in demanding sector. So it is in good sector, good financials, good shareholding pattern. So overall it looks like a good company, but you need to have a study on this company. Company is trading around 80 rupees. Sigachi Industries Limited. Sigachi Industries Limited is one of the largest manufacturers of microcrystalline cellulose worldwide and has 3 multi-locational facilities in Telangana and Gujarat. So it belongs to the microcrystalline cellulose manufacturing. So it is one of the major producers and distributor of MCC. So market cap it has 2500 crores and you can see currently 80 rupees and near to very high. So stock P is 50, very good. ROCE and ROE 19.6%, ROCE and ROE is 17.6%. Even it has given dividend to their shareholders. So face value is 1 rupee. So you can look at this company and have a study. Sigachi Industries, it has also making a good noise in the recent days in stock market. Company is IRB Infrastructure Developers Limited. So IRB Infrastructures is trading around 60 rupees. It is in infrastructure development and construction company in India with extensive experience in the road and highway sector. It is also in other business segments in the infrastructure sector, including maintenance of roads, construction, airport development and real estate. So you can see this is road and highway sector. It is definitely demanding, I mean it's like a basic community business. So even in near future, government has giving much preference to the infrastructure development. So definitely this stock has a very good demand in future also, this company very good demand also, and in past also it is given very good returns, and its financials are very strong, and even the company is strong, management is strong. So definitely you can have a look and have a study on this company IRB infrastructures. So keep in watch list and have a study. So by saying this, we will end today's video. We will meet in next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.